happening?
Ring. Ring.
Dude, your alarm's going off right now.
Ring.
What are you, Mom?
No,
Turn it off!
there's an alarm and
I don't want to go.
too bad. You're the one that can drive.
Ugh.
I'm gonna push you out the bed.
Fun.
You have a lot of excess force pulling you down.
Yeah, I mean, everything else hit the ground, and then I landed on top.
Honk, honk, honk.
That's the short circuit in my car.
Did you? Wait. Okay, I wasn't paying attention when you had your birthday last week, and I know you got a car. Is it a Tesla? Is that why it's honking?
No. It came from the scrapyard. Great. It does well at the beginning, but then just really, I don't get how do you oil the back end of the hinges? It's only
Well,
right
with
here.
Dad's old stereo, he says to kick it every once in a while, so maybe if I just kick it.
You did it.
See, I'm not totally useless.
All right, so this girl here, she came from the scrapyard.
Well, I know you're a little worried about it, but maybe if I kick your car, it'll help.
Maybe one more for good measure.
Okay, are you sure it's not a Tesla? You didn't even put the keys in.
Everything. Let's get in.
Okay.
There was a seat flip. It's already on. It's incredibly quiet for a scrapyard. But should I try putting the keys in is the question.
Do it!
And it's not working anymore.
Do you want me to kick that too? Actually, you know what?